What's up, everyone? I'm in Venice Beach, headed to the world-famous Venice Electric Light Parade on this Easter Sunday. The weather's alright today. It's a little overcast, but I really need to hurry up and catch up to the group. Finally caught up to the group over here around Venice Ale House, and what's this lady doing? I mean, I have my 360 camera so I can look all around today. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get to see the sunset because of how cloudy it is, but it's all good. Looks like a car meet going on or something. That's a first. Do it live, I guess.
Tonight, make it right. You, I want you all tonight. Ooh, I want you all tonight, make it right. You, I want you all tonight.
We're wrapping up at the end of the Venice fishing pier. I can tell my camera's struggling. There's just not enough ambient light. But it's okay, we brought our own lights. Thanks for checking this video out. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time.